Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Fall Guys game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Epic Games launcher on your PC, and once you open it up, just tap on the search box after logging into your account, and then just type in Fall Guys and start your search. Once you find the Fall Guys game, go ahead and click on it and you will see the Get button. Tap on the Get button, and once the game is within your library, you can proceed forward with the installation after choosing your install location. Once you click on the Install button, this will begin the download and installation of the Fall Guys game on your device. You can click on the Downloads tab to see the download progress. Once the download is completed, your game will be installed, and a shortcut will also be created on your desktop. And you can also use the search button in order to search for the Fall Guys game to open it up and start enjoying it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Fall Guys game on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're trying to change your username on the Fall Guys game, then you will notice no such menu within. So if you wish to change your name, you will need to change your Epic Games Launcher user ID. Just open up the Epic Games Launcher on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, in order to change your username, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on Account, which will take you into your account settings page for the Epic Games app. Now, within this page, underneath account information, you will see the display name. You can click on the Edit button at the right side, and you will be asked to enter your desired new display name. After entering your desired name, click on I understand, and then click on the Confirm button. Once you have confirmed your change, you will be told that you will not be allowed to make any more changes for another 2 weeks, which means that this display name will be set for 2 weeks, after which you can change it once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username within the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings on the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your PC, and once the game is fully loaded up, you will be taken into the home page. From this page, click on the gear icon at the top right corner, or tap on the escape key within your keyboard. Now, from this page, tap on the options menu, and now you will see the video settings. Underneath, you can choose your resolution, the windowed or full screen mode, as well as various other details, including shadows, depth of field, anti-aliasing, and a whole lot more. Once you have chosen your desired setting, click on the Save button or press on the spacebar key, and your changes will be applied to your game. You can now tap on the Play button and now start enjoying your game with your chosen graphic settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic settings within the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the sounds within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. Tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, or press the escape key within your keyboard. Once you click on this, you will see the audio option. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will see the master, the music, as well as the effect volume panel. You can simply slide these to the left if you wish to turn off the sound. There is also the option to mute audio in background and the audio format choosing options. You can choose from stereo as well as surround sound, and there is also the option to change the voice chat options. After changing your desired setting, you can simply go back from this page, and now the sounds will be turned off within the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off the sounds within the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the game modes within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Fall Guys game within your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page, where you will see the Play button. Now, you can tap on the Play button to start playing the default game mode, or if you wish to choose a different game mode, you can tap on the Control button within your keyboard, or you can also click on Change Game. Once you click on this, you will see the various different games that are available. You can choose from Knockout, Scrapyard, Stumble, or the Explore option. Underneath, you also have the Classic Games, which has the Solo, the Duo, and the Squad mode. You can also click on the Custom Games option to host or join within a custom game. Once you click on your desired game mode, your game will start right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the game mode within the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your character on Fall Guys. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game within your device. And if you're opening it up for the first time, you will have to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you gain access to the homepage, if you wish to change the color of your character, just tap on the character icon alongside the home button at the top section. This will now show you the outfits menu. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose from various different colors. You can tap on the ones that are available, and you can unlock more characters as you move forward within the game. After you have chosen your desired color, you can go back to the previous menu and you will be asked whether you want to save your changes. Make sure to tap on the save option, and now the color of your character will be changed. You can go back to the home menu and start enjoying your game with your chosen color for your character right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the color of your character on the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will end up within the home page, from which you can directly start enjoying your games. Now, if you wish to change the language interface for your game, then simply tap on the gear icon at the top right corner or press the escape button within your keyboard. Now, from this menu, just tap on the gear icon, which is the options menu. And now the second option is your language option, which you can simply tap on in order to change to your desired language. Once you have found your chosen language, simply tap on the space button or click on the save key in order to save your changes. And now your chosen language will be applied within the entire game. You can change this at any time if you wish to change back your language once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game within your device. And once you open it up and the game is fully loaded, you will end up within the home page, from which you can directly start your preferred games. Now, if you wish to add a friend within your game to play with, then simply tap on the V button within your keyboard or tap on the plus icon alongside the play button. This will now open up the friends menu. Now, to add a new friend, just tap on the plus friend icon, and now you can just use the search box to search for the username that you wish to add. Once you find the person that you wish to add, just tap on their user ID and click on the add epic friend option. This will now send a friend request to this user from your Epic Games account. And now once this person taps on the accept button, you will become friends with this user. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new friend on the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the server within the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the play button, from which you can start playing your games right away. Now, if you wish to change the server within which you are playing the game, just click on the escape button or the gear icon at the top right corner. From here, tap on the options menu, and then you will see the region option. From the server region, just use the slider to choose your preferred server. Once you have chosen your desired server, just tap on the save button or press the space key on your device. And now you can go back to your game. And when you tap on play, this will match you up with the players from the region that you just selected. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the server within the Fall Guys game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have opened up the Fall Guys game on your device, then you might notice that there is no option to log out at all. So if you wish to log out from your account, then you will need to log out from the Epic Games application as well. In order to do this, just open up the Epic Games launcher on your device, and you will be taken into the store page right away. From this page, just click on your account icon at the top right corner, and then click on the sign out button. You will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out. Just provide your confirmation, and you will be signed out from the Epic Games application right away. And this will also sign you out from the Fall Guys game. And now, if you wish to sign back in, you will need to sign in through the Epic Games launcher as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign out from the Fall Guys game on your device. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Fall Guys game. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you have opened up the Fall Guys game on your device, then you might find that even if you check within the settings box, you will not find any option to delete your account. So if you wish to reset your progress, then you will either need to log out from the Epic Games account or delete your Epic Games account entirely. the safest option is to simply log out from your Epic Games launcher. Open up Epic Games launcher from your device, and then click on your account icon at the top right corner, and just click on Sign Out. Once you tap on this button, you will be logged out from your Epic Games account, and this will also log you out from the Fall Guys game. Alternately, if you wish to delete your Epic Games account altogether, just open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in epicgames.com and press enter. Now, from the Epic Games homepage, log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button and using your credentials. Once you are logged in, click on your user ID at the top right corner and then click on account. Once you are within the account settings page, scroll all the way down and you can click on request account delete and then confirm this choice in order to schedule your account for deletion. After this process, make sure not to log back in for another 2 weeks, which will permanently delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.